The condition of a young girl from Balanga in Puri, who suffered grievous burn injuries after being set on fire by miscreants, remains critical according to the latest updates from AIIMS Bhubaneswar. The incident, occurring in broad daylight, has left the victim with severe burns covering approximately 75% of her body, as confirmed by AIIMS Bhubaneswar Director, Ashutosh Biswas. Director Biswas reported that, although the victim is not dependent on a ventilator, she is receiving oxygen support in the ICU and is under intense medical supervision. Coming 72 hours are critical, with the first 48 demanding vigilant observation. Despite the trauma, the victim remains conscious and has been able to communicate, albeit with difficulty. Doctors are working tirelessly to manage her blood pressure and provide necessary dressing for second and third degree burns. Director Biswas stated that the foremost challenge lies in preventing organ failure during this critical period. Adequate facilities are in place to offer comprehensive care. Medical teams will focus on infection control after the initial observation window, aiming to assess the prospects of recovery more accurately.
टिके कथबार्ता हाँ मेंटली टिके अपसेट फिजिकली आल्सो ट्रॉमाटाइज मेंटली ट्रॉमाटाइज 48 आवर्स मिनिमम गला परे आमे देखिबा आ केमती ताको इन्फेक्शन कंट्रोल आमे केमती करिबा आ मिनिमम 48 आवर्स परे आमे जानि परिबा तार आउटकम केमती कोन होय।